Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. We start on the larger time frame, and our perspective is that the XRP chart is still in a bullish structure, at least as long as we are holding above the $1.20 level, plus minus a few cents. So this is, however, key support around the 120 area. And the price recently dipped into this support area. I mean, you can see that. We can move it to the left. That was the sell-off. Yeah, there was an explosive move, unfortunately, to the downside, which sometimes happens in the altcoin sector, but that's why we usually show also the larger time frame support levels on the charts, and the price tested there this key support area for a wave 4 and for bullish upside trend continuation. And I would still like to see one more high in this cycle, possibly with a, let's say, next milestone target around the $4.20 area, then the $5 area, and above that we've got $6.60 as next relevant upside target, which would be for this fifth wave an ideal target. Yeah, so sort of $4.20, $5, $6.60 as key levels. As long as the $1.20 level is holding, you could see this as a trading range. Yeah, basically what that means is you could, and this is only sort of talking about what might be reasonable, depending on how long the price continues to move sideways, because you can't do that for a while, right? XRP likes to do sideways movements. You can see what happened between 2022 and 2024. It might spend some time in that range. So if you're a trader and if you like range trading, I would personally see the $1.20 level as key support. And then, maybe $4.20 is the next target. And then you can use that as a range to accumulate close to the lows and sell as we're approaching that target. You certainly, if the move up is explosive and impulsive, you might want to sell less, because there is a likelihood then it continues to move up. But yeah, so this is sort of what I'm tracking at the moment here on the larger time frame. This only gives you the overall larger time frame understanding of what's happening here on this chart, the overall context, and now we are going to move towards the smaller time frame. Quick information here for those who don't know yet. We've launched yesterday our MCO Global channel. It's our new main channel for MCO. This is where all the communities will come together. There will be a video later today. I'm not talking about what it will be yet. So it's going to be different content on there, exciting content. We experiment a little bit with a few different concepts, with camera, with a bit of research, just check it out if you're interested. The link to the channel is in the description, and let's blow it up to 10,000 subscribers, please. Next, let's see if we can do it. This is going to be a big channel. This is really going to be our main channel and home of MCO. Yeah, Morecryptoonline, by the way, will continue as usual, so you get your favorite short-term market updates. Now we are on the smaller time frame. And here we can see that from the low that formed on the 3rd of February on Monday, the move up looks potentially impulsive. I don't get a very clear 5-wave pattern from the low, but these 5-wave patterns are usually needed to get some clarity. But because the sell-off here was so rapid, sometimes the structure from the low is a little bit distorted. So when you get a very rapid sell-off and a very quick recovery, things can easily, look a little bit off, look a little bit distorted. And therefore, it's just important to understand that the microstructure analysis is always to be taken with a grain of salt. Yeah, proceed with caution here. What is important though is that we have a key support area to watch, and it is located between $1.95 and $2.35. And I suggested in my last update a possible microstructure analysis. We talked about potentially reaching this orange support area with support between $1.95 and $2.35. Seems like, as I record this video, the market is just working on this pattern and the wave count is being followed, even though I always say the microstructure is not so important. Don't see it as too predictive. It gives us a roadmap, yes, but these are flexible. What really matters is that the bulls turn up before there is a sustained break below $1.95. So below $1.95, it becomes more probable that the upside reversal attempt that started on Monday is failing. For now, I would not be surprised that we see some rapid downside action, because this looks like a third wave to the downside, and third waves are typically the most aggressive elements of a trend. So what do we need as a first indication that a recovery is happening? Well, I would say a break above the trend line, followed by a break above $2.57, and then it becomes somewhat likely that we could have started the next move up and could move closer towards the $3.40 breakout point. That's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.